Ultimately, martial art means honestly expressing yourself. Ultimately, martial art means honestly expressing yourself. You have to train. You have to keep your reflexes so that when you want it, it's there. When you want to move, you're moving. And when you move, you're determined to move. Not taking 1 inch, not anything less than that. It is easy for me to put on a show and be cocky and be flooded with a cocky feeling and feel like pretty cool and all that. Blinded by it. Though I can show you some really fancy movement. But to express oneself honestly, not lying to oneself, that, my friend, is very hard to do. That is the type of thing you have to train yourself into it. To become one.
Whoa! That was a nice line. That was a really nice line, huh? That's what you mean when you say aggressive, huh?